so sad that this is a very nice train. It's very cute, and we're excited for this coaster.
Yes.
Seems like it has a dark section here. Wow. I hope you can see this.
The water. Oh my god, this is...
This, wow, I like this.
Yeah.
So pretty. Huracan here at Bellewaerde. No idea what to expect here, to be honest. I love coasters with a dark ride section. And music. Yeah, we have on-ride music, if we didn't say that. Here we go, this is the first lift hill. And we have rain. Here we go. In the rain at Bellewaerde. And we're gonna go inside again. Wow. Oh, this is amazing. Wow. Wow, this is a great coaster. I like this. Wow, I have no idea what's happening now.
What's gonna happen?
Something's gonna happen.
Are we gonna drop?
Yeah, I'm thinking about it. No.
What's happening?
Was that the end of the ride? I have no idea, but this looks so cool. When I'm gonna crash. Oh, we are back at the station.
Oh my god.
Oh, they freaked us out there. They scared us a little bit. Great ride.